Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remotes are designed for broad compatibility, which makes replacing or repairing them fairly simple. Depending on your remote type, there are two main pairing methods: the Learn button method for newer models and dip switch matching for older ones. For newer remotes with a Learn or Reset button, start by turning off power to the fan at the wall switch or circuit breaker. Turn the power back on and, within 30 seconds, press the Learn button inside the battery compartment using a small tool. If pairing is successful, the fan may spin briefly or the light may blink as confirmation. For older remotes, open both the remote and the receiver inside the fan canopy. Match the dip switch positions exactly on both units. Once the switches align, restore power and test the remote. Harbor Breeze remotes use radio frequency signals, so they don't require direct line of sight like infrared remotes. You can control the fan from anywhere in the room, typically within a 40-foot range. If your remote stops working, first replace the batteries even if the LED lights up. Weak batteries often send signals that aren't strong enough to reach the receiver. If you have multiple Harbor Breeze fans, signal interference can occur. Adjust the frequency settings or DIP switches to avoid overlap. If the remote pairs but the fan doesn't respond, the receiver inside the fan may be faulty and require replacement. When buying a new remote, always match the FCC ID on the back of your original unit to ensure compatibility. A quick reset can also help remove the batteries and press all buttons for a few seconds before reinstalling them.